I would like to share. Ma'am, actually, every time we attend so many so many seminars and workshops, this has been really wonderful and interesting. Even we didn't know how these 2 hours have passed away, and we have learned so much. With so much, I have focused on this classes you are taking because you are really lively and interesting. The way you speak and the way you express, we feel like you're so sincere to what you're doing. And one more thing, what I want to say is what all tools you have introduced all were really new tools for us. In my school, we have to definitely use one tool in every session. We have to conduct an activity for the children after every lesson. So now what all tools you have given are all new tools for us because we have been using Kahoot and Mentimeter and quizzes, Quizlet, so many tools. We are even using Testmos for conducting tests. But what all tools you have given are all really new ones for me to learn. Now I think I have to work a little more harder to get used to all the tools that you have given me. I would like you to share all the links of the what all tools you have given us. You share the links in our WhatsApp group or in our Google Classroom, so it will be really very useful. Yeah. Really wonderful session, ma'am, and I will share with the teachers. Many 3, 4, 5 teachers have registered, but I don't know why they didn't join the Google class, the room when you allotted. No, they didn't join. Only 2 of us joined, and because it was chemistry, Royal Chemistry group, they thought it is only for chemistry teachers. So many of them didn't join this. So now I have to tell them it was not for chemistry, it was for actually science. All physics and biology can join.